Good morning. It's Friday, April 24th, and we are talking about patterns that are alike today. So the other day I showed you this image, and I showed it to you so that we could learn how to label patterns. If you look at these patterns, you may remember that this top one is AB. It's an AB pattern because the green and the purple repeat themselves. The tennis balls also are an AB pattern. The orange and yellow pattern is repeated over and over. And at the bottom, we have blue, green, green. So this is an A, B, B pattern. If I was looking at this and I wanted to say, which two patterns are the same? Well, I could easily say, you know what? I'm pretty sure that this pattern up here and this pattern right here are the same. So they are both AB patterns. So the top one in the middle are the same type of patterns. Even though they're different colors, they both are AB patterns. So those would be the same pattern. All right, we're going to practice on our math sheet today trying to find the same type of patterns, okay? So let's go back and grab our math worksheet. You're gonna also need to grab pencil and your math worksheet, page 37. So it says, circle the patterns that are alike. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to decide what kind of pattern are we dealing with, alrighty? So this first one, I have a baby goat and a mama goat. A baby goat and a mama goat. So this is what type of pattern? I have two different things that repeat themselves. It's an A, B pattern, all right? Now, down here, I have cat, kitten, cat, kitten, cat, kitten. Again, two things that repeat themselves over and over again. This is also an A, B pattern. Are these two patterns the same? Yes, they're both AB patterns, so I need to circle that. Okay, let's go down to the blue star area, okay? This time I have chicken, chick, chicken, chick, okay? Two different things repeating over and over again, an A and a B, and then the A repeats itself and the B does, okay? So that's an AB pattern. Now I have adult mouse, baby mouse, baby mouse, adult mouse, baby mouse, baby mouse. Well, this one is A, but then it's not an A here, it's a B. And what is my third thing? Well, that's a B too. So this pattern is A, B, B, and then A shows up again. So these two patterns don't match. I'm not going to circle them. All right, let's look at this last one. I have puppy, puppy, dog. Puppy, puppy, dog. This is an A. The puppy's an A. There's another puppy. He's also an A. And then the dog is the B. So this pattern is A, B. Let's look at this one. I have calf, calf, cow. Calf, calf, cow. So the calf is A. There's another calf. He's also A. And then I have the cow, which is my B. Is this pattern the same as this one? Yes, they're both A, B patterns. So I would circle that. So the top and the bottom both have the same type of patterns. Turn your page over to the back. Okay. So on the back, they want me to name the patterns, okay? And the way they're going to have me do this is I'm going to draw a line from the pattern to the name of the pattern. So if I look at this first one, I have an orange leaf, a red leaf, an orange leaf, a red leaf, an orange leaf, a red leaf. So I have a very simple pattern. Two different things being repeated over. This is an AB pattern. I need to draw a line to the AB. Let's look at this pattern. I have brown, brown, darker brown, 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 darker brown. So A, B, A, B. This is an AAB pattern, so I need to connect it to that one. This one I have green, yellow, yellow, green, yellow, yellow. So this time it's A, B, B type of pattern. Now, down here, they give me a pattern, and then I have to circle which pattern is correct. So this is green, green, red, green, green, red. So let me check that out. Let's see, that would be an A. This is an A. Oh, and I switched. There's a B. Oh, but I go back to A. So it's A, B, and then the pattern starts to repeat itself. A, B. So I have an A, B pattern. Make sure you've finished all your work, that it's done neatly and completely. Put a sticker on it, and you are done for the day. Good work.